This video compares New York City boat tours and cruises to help choose which one is best for you, including hop on, hop off tourist cruises, dinner cruises, sailboats, and much more. We even go over a free option. Single trip tourist cruises focus on specific areas of the city. You'll need to arrive at a specific place and a set time to board the boat. All the various routes have guided commentary as you sail along. There are a few route options. The Circle Line's flagship tour is the Best of New York, a 2.5-hour cruise that encircles Manhattan to see Yankee Stadium, Harlem, One World Observatory, and more. The shorter Landmark cruise is a 90-minute option that focuses on Lower and Midtown Manhattan. Many of these choices are included for free or at a discount on one of the city tourist passes, which you can read about on our website. The cruises are also great additions to our Name Your Own Price walking tours. There's also a Hop On Hop Off Ferry in New York. This will allow you to cruise around the city at your leisure. You won't be required to arrive at a specific time or have to plan your day around the boat tour. While City Sightseeing offers an actual tourist sightseeing hop on hop off cruise, some of the commuter ferries are great and affordable options. The New York water taxi even has some recorded commentary on sites you'll see along the way. This and the East River Ferry provide an economical way to get from place to place on the water. Dinner cruises, or lunch, or brunch cruises are another way to see New York from the water. Dinner cruises are great because they allow guests to really relax and enjoy the cruise, while also seeing different sights around the city. The tours last between 2 and 3 hours. Prices are typically higher for a dinner cruise, but keep in mind that you're getting both a meal, live music, and a tour, so it can be a good value. Many of the cruise companies also offer sunset and evening tours. The New York City skyline is beautiful at all hours, but it's especially nice when it's lit up at night. Remember, this is the city that never sleeps, so a night cruise is a great way to see New York really come alive after dark. If you're not in the mood for the usual cruise or a ferry ride, consider the more traditional route with a sailboat trip for the same sights at a slower pace. Or, if you want to go faster, there are also speedboat options for a tour and a thrill. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most common reasons to take a boat tour in New York. Most of the boat cruises include it at least as a view, but statue cruises is the only option if you want to hop off on the island and see the statue up close. But if the view from the boat is enough for you, you'll find many options, including the Staten Island Ferry. This is by far the most budget-friendly option because it's completely free. You can find more about this free option and all the ways to see New York by boat on our blog post. Visit us at freetoursbyfoot.com and check out some of our other videos by subscribing here. We'd love to show you around New York City, one of the many other cities where we offer tours.